Opening a bank account in Mexico offers numerous advantages, especially for expats and frequent travelers. To start, you need to choose the right bank. Major banks like BBVA Bancomer, Santander, and Banorte are popular choices due to their extensive branch networks and online services. Before heading to a branch, ensure you have the necessary documents: a valid passport, proof of residence, like a utility bill, and your immigration document, temporary or permanent resident card. Some banks may also ask for a tax identification number, RFC, which you can obtain at the local tax office, S8. Once at the bank, you'll need to fill out an application form. The process is straightforward, but it helps if you speak some Spanish or bring a translator. Mexican bank accounts offer various benefits, such as lower transaction fees, easy access to local currency, and the ability to set up direct debits for bills and services. For managing your account, online banking and mobile apps are highly recommended. They offer convenience and security, allowing you to monitor transactions and make payments from anywhere. Additionally, Mexico has a well-regulated banking system, so your deposits are insured up to a certain amount. Need financial help? WhatsApp me. It's 3362945861, link in bio.